G'day guys, Michael Valentino from Crusader Caravans and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to utilise your Excalibur and its water. Today with the Excalibur you'll notice we have three indicators utilising a 295 litre water tanks and a grey water tank at 95 litres. In order to be able to utilise the water whilst you're free camping, you're going to be using your 12 volt water pump. The water pump switch is located up here in the cupboard, which when switched will fire. To utilise the water on mains pressure, we jump outside, we plug the hose in, and I'll show you how to fill up the tanks. In the Excalibur range, there's two methods of filling the water tanks up. The first method is going through the water filler caps here. You place a hose directly into the water fillers, fill the water tanks up, it will then begin to overflow through the overflow pipes. The indicators inside will also indicate to you that they're full after they've reached their full point. The second method of filling the water tanks up is you get your hose, place it onto the mains pressure. Underneath here, we've got two water tanks or water taps below that if you turn in the direction of on, it will begin to suck water directly into the tanks. And again, the overflow pipes will indicate to you that they're full, and the indicator inside will also indicate that it's full.